Hey, it's Jen Thoden with YourColorStyle.com, and in this video we're going to do a deep dive into the Soft and Cool Color Fan. What's in it, who can wear it, and how to use it. So let's first talk about the words soft and cool. Soft means that the fan has colors that are muted and grayed. So just to give you an example, on the left is a clear blue. It's a blue that's clear chroma. It is not muted. And on the right is the same blue, but now it is muted and grayed. And so it's a lot softer. Okay, and so that's how all the colors are in the color fan. It's cool because it's for people with cool undertones. Each page of the color fan has a full range of colors from light to dark. In the center here, where there's the letter C, that is the brightest of the colors in each hue. So these are, again, muted colors. So in this example, this is a soft red, a muted red. Black is added to darken, and white is added to lighten. And that's for all the colors in the color fan. In the back of the fan are your best neutrals. And so the last 5 pages of the color fan are neutrals ideal for people with cool undertones. Also, you have color strips that are for your lipstick colors. And it's not labeled for lipstick colors, but these are the colors that are perfect for you when you're looking for your lipstick. So in the fan, there will be the red is zeros, 1, and then on the cool side, you have 17, 16, and maybe even 15 if you really want to go for a more bold plum purpley lipstick. So these are your lipstick colors. So let's talk about who this color fan is for. I'm going to show you a lot of photos of a wide range of individuals that fit into the soft and cool color palette. These are the individuals that will wear the soft muted colors best and that have cool undertones. And then I'm going to show you when you fit into one of these, how you would use the color fan. So let's start out with someone who is soft, cool, and light. This individual has a blend of gray and almost even a golden brown in her hair. This is a very common characteristic of someone who has softness and can wear the soft muted colors best. She has soft gray eyes and she's very light overall. She might even tip a little bit into the medium because of the medium darkness in her hair. However, because she is older, the soft, cool, and light colors will be best on her as she's kind of tipping over into more gray than less. Although she's still not dominantly gray, where I would put her into the brighter category. So soft, cool, and light. And if you're in this category, when you look at the color strips in the color fan, you would use the colors up to C. The B and the A would be colors that might be too dark for you and be too heavy for you, okay? Then there are individuals that are soft, cool, and medium, and I have several examples here to show you to give you a full range of what soft, cool, and medium could look like. As you can see, her coloring is actually very similar to the soft, cool, and light example here. The reason that I included her as a soft, cool, and medium is because her natural hair color is darker than what is shown here, and you can even see that in her eyebrows. So she has about a medium in depth with her soft, cool gray eyes and cool undertones. This individual has very similar coloring, same thing. Her hair is a little much darker than the previous example, and you can see it in her eyebrows as well. So that medium depth, but again, that soft, cool coloring to her. She looks a little golden in the photo, but she actually has cool undertones, not warm. And before I go into the next couple of examples, I wanted to show you that when you're looking at the color strip and you consider yourself medium, you would wear colors up to the B. A still might be too dark for you, okay? This individual is also soft, cool, and medium. She has soft, cool, blue, gray, hazily eyes. The photo kind of makes her look a little golden, but it's really more of the olive skin tone. And I've seen enough photos of this individual to determine that she definitely has cool undertones versus warm undertones. I've also seen women of color that are very similar to her, and they actually have some gray in their hair, really kind of cooling them off more, okay? This individual I also put as soft, cool, and medium. Now she's got very bright silver hair and darker eyes. That combination of cool and warm can really soften an individual. I don't see her wearing the bright colors. I actually see her still wearing soft colors. And even though her hair has brightness to it, those deep, warmer eyes really kind of soften up the look. The combination of light and dark and the combination of bright and soft and the warm and cool. Like that whole combination kind of muddies things up and has her kind of in that medium range of softness and medium. This individual is also soft, cool, and medium, and she has cool undertones. She has soft, cool eyes, and all again, the photo makes her look like she has golden skin, but it's actually an olive skin tone, and that softness about her. She looks wonderful in soft, cool colors, and in about medium in depth. She might be able to go into the deep. This is a person that can decide what she feels better in, the medium or the deep colors. And then soft, cool, and deep is someone that really is very similar to someone who's soft, cool, and medium, except they have very dark hair or eyebrows. Unlikely eyes. If you have really, really dark eyes, like then you're probably bright and not soft. Okay, so this individual has soft gray, those typical soft hazily grayish eyes. They could appear green sometimes as well, and has very dark hair. And that combination, she looks best in the soft muted colors. She's soft, cool, and deep. And when you look at the strips on the color fan, you can wear the full range of colors from A to F. All will look great on you. Okay, so that is the soft and cool color fan, and you can find that color fan out on colorfans.com. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're still trying to figure out what colors look best on you, take the quiz that's out on yourcolorstyle.com. It's absolutely free and it will walk you through step by step to help you figure out what colors will look best on you.